Good morning, students. Welcome to the class of Technomaths. So today we are going to solve this question where it's given that the shape is into the form of a semicircle, okay, and here the length of AC is given to you as 12 cm, right, and the length of BC is given to you as 16 cm, right. We need to find the shaded area and the perimeter, okay. So to calculate the shaded area, what we need to do, that we need to understand, right. Here in this question you can see this is a semicircle, okay. If this is a semicircle and if we will know the radius of this semicircle, then we can calculate the area of this semicircle, right, because the area of a circle is pi r square. Area of a circle is pi r square, right. Pi into r square is the area of circle, and when this will be divided by 2, this will give you the area of semicircle. Area of semicircle, right, semicircle. But we are not knowing the radius for this, right. We are not knowing the length of this radius. This r is not known to us. If O to B, the length of O to B is r, then that is not known to us, right. Now we will find out that value. One data also given into this question, that AC and BC are perpendicular to each other, right. If AC and BC are perpendicular to each other, that means this angle as shown to you, angle C is 90°, right. Then what we will do, we will just find the area of this semicircle, okay, and subtract the area of this triangle to get the area of this shaded region. And what will then the second part will be solved, right. But to calculate the area of the semicircle, we should note the we should note the radius of this semicircle. We are not knowing the radius of that semicircle as given. So without knowing the radius of the semicircle, we are not able to calculate the area of this semicircle, which is pi r square divided by 2. Now what we will do, we will find out the radius of this semicircle. Thereafter, we will find the area of the semicircle, that is pi r square by 2, and from that area we will subtract the area of this triangle, right. Then whatever the area left is the shaded area, right. Now for calculating the perimeter, you can just add the length of A to C, then C to B, that is circumference of a circle divided by 2, that is 2 pi r divided by 2, which will be equal to pi into r, okay. For the perimeter, pi into r plus B to C, the length of B to C, plus the length of C to A, right. So all the three lengths will be added to find out the perimeter of this semicircle, of this shaded area, right. Now let us find the radius of this semicircle first. Students, you can see the length of AC is 12 centimeter, the length of BC is given to you as 16 centimeter. If this is 12, if this is 16, then can't we calculate the length of AB? By you just apply the Pythagoras, right, because this 90° is given to you, right. Then what we will do, by Pythagoras we calculate the length of AB as root over of 12 square plus 16 square, isn't it? Root over of 12 square plus 16 square is the length of AB, right. The length of AB is calculated as 12 square plus 16 square. What is 12 square? It's 144. What is 16 square? Can anyone tell? I am not able to recollect. So let us calculate. 6 6 36 96 6 2. So it's 6 36 6 and 1, yes, is 256, right? So 256 plus 144, this will be coming as 400, right? So root over of 400, that means the root over of 400, that is the length of AB, which will be coming as 20. If AB is 20, then the radius of this semicircle is 20 divided by 2, because you know that radius is diameter by 2. So this is coming as 20 divided by 2. So OB is 20 by 2, which is coming at 10 centimeter, which is coming at 10 centimeter. So R is calculated as 10 centimeter. Now, this question is almost solved, right? How? To calculate the shaded area, you calculate the area of this semicircle, that is pi r square divided by 2. That means pi into 10 square. That means here I am writing pi into 10 square divided by 2. This is the area of the semicircle, minus subtract from it the area of this triangle, and the area of this triangle is half into base into altitude. What is the base? You can consider base as 12 and height as 16, or 16 as base and 12 as height, right? So half into 12 into 16, right? This will give you the area of the triangle, right? So this area, the blank area, should be subtracted from the area of the entire semicircle, right? So what we will be doing, we have just, this is the shaded area equal to this much. Now pi into 10 square by 2, this will be 100 by 2, that is 50. So this is coming as 50 pi minus 2 into 8 minus 96. So this is the shaded area in centimeter square, right? 50 pi minus 96, right? So in this way the second part of this question is solved. Now, thanks Venom, this is the best for you. Oh my god, that's perfectly, that's the best compliment for even for me. Thank you so much. Now, the area is calculated. Now, what is the perimeter of this? Perimeter, to calculate the perimeter of this figure, what we will do? Let me squeeze a little so that I will have some pages. Yes. Now, this is the shaded area. This is the area which is shaded. This is calculated 50 pi minus 96. Now, what is the perimeter? Perimeter, for the perimeter of the shaded area, you can see the boundaries of this shaded area. From one side of the shaded area, you can see the semicircle is lying. Okay, so that length is equal to pi r, because 2 pi r is for the whole circle, then 2 pi r divided by 2, that means pi r for this circle, semicircle. So this will be equal to pi into r, right, plus when you reach to B, A to C to B, when you reach to B, you can see the boundary of this shaded area. You need to add B to C length also. So then plus BC, then plus CA. So this will give you R, the value of R is 10. So it will be coming as 10 pi plus BC, which is 16, plus CA. What is the value of CA? Is 12. That will be coming at 28 plus 10 pi, right? 28 plus 10 pi, and 10 pi is 3.14 into 10, that is 31.4 plus 28, which will be giving you zero point 0.4 is will be as it is 819, and 3 8 plus 1 9, and 2 plus 3 5. So 59.4 cm is the perimeter of this shaded area. This will be coming as 59.4 cm, right? And this area, the area is calculated as 50 pi in minus 96. So what is 50 pi? Just multiply 3.14 with 50. So it will be coming as 157, right? So 157 minus 96. 157 minus 96 is coming as minus 96. It is coming as 61. So the area is calculated as 61 centimeter square, right? So this area is calculated as 61 centimeter square, right? So in this way we have solved this question, students. This is 61 centimeter square, right? And the perimeter is 59.4 centimeter. So this perimeter is calculated as 59.4 centimeter, that is pi r plus length of BC plus length of CA, right? So in this way we have solved this question. Okay, for any query you can put up into the comment box. I will get back to you. Thank you so much for watching, students. Happy learning. Bye bye. Take care. See you again into the next session. You can go through the playlist and you can watch the further videos for your better clarity and understanding. You can go for the mensuration playlist for more clarity on this topic. Okay. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye.